Tired of flat tires ruining your trip? This compact tool is your on-the-go solution. The best 12V air compressor delivers quick, powerful inflation wherever you need it, ideal for cars, bikes, and more. Stay prepared, stay inflated. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. AstroAI 12V Air Compressor. The AstroAI 12V air compressor stands out with its dual power capability, supporting both 12V DC car sockets and 120V AC home outlets, making it an ideal companion for both on-the-road emergencies and home garage use. It offers 2 inflation modes, a high-pressure mode for car, bike, and sports gear, and a large volume mode suitable for inflating low-pressure items like air mattresses. Thanks to its dual metal motors and durable cylinder design, it can run continuously for up to 15 minutes and inflate a flat car tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes. It's rated up to 150 psi, which means it's powerful enough for most sedans and mid-size SUVs, although it isn't compatible with heavy-duty trucks. What really sets the AstroAI apart is its omni-vent dissipation technology, which uses re-engineered air ducts and axial flow fan blades to rapidly dissipate heat, extending the compressor's operational life. Operation is straightforward with its digital display and silicone buttons, allowing users to preset the pressure, read current PSI levels, and automatically shut off once the target is reached. It also remembers your last setting, thanks to a power cut memory function. The built-in LED light makes nighttime inflation easy, and the overall unit is thoughtfully designed with convenient storage compartments for the power cord and hose. Included in the package are multiple adapters and accessories, making this a versatile tool. Whether for home maintenance or road travel, the AstroAI compressor is a well-rounded, reliable choice that balances performance with user convenience. Number 2. WARWOLF 12V Air Compressor. The WARWOLF 12V air compressor delivers professional-grade performance packed into a sleek, portable design. Built with advanced fireproof materials and graphene-based components, it offers superior safety by protecting against short circuits, overheating, and overcharging. It features a powerful 22mm copper motor and a robust 10,000 mAh battery, capable of inflating a 205/55/R16 tire in under a minute. The compressor supports up to 160 psi and an airflow rate of 48 liters per minute, making it a truly high-performance option. Its dual-core graphene cooling technology ensures the device remains cool and safe during prolonged use. This air compressor offers automatic shutoff, preventing overinflation and increasing safety. It includes a variety of adapters, Schrader, pressed-up ball needles, making it compatible with cars, bikes, motorcycles, balls, and more. The digital display is accurate, user-friendly, and features preset inflation modes for different applications, plus a custom mode for precise PSI control. What makes the WARWOLF truly versatile is its multi-use capability. It doubles as a power bank and includes an LED flashlight with steady, strobe, and SOS modes, perfect for emergency roadside situations. Charging cables, and a user manual. While not designed for large-volume inflatables like air mattresses, it excels in everything else, delivering reliable performance and portability. It's a valuable addition for any driver seeking a high-end, multifunctional tire inflator. Number 3. DENVIX 12V Air Compressor. The DENVIX 12V air compressor is an innovative and powerful solution for drivers who demand speed, efficiency, and convenience in a compact design. Engineered with high performance in mind, this portable air compressor can inflate a standard car tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes and top off Tesla tires within a minute, proving its 2x faster inflation claim. It also handles full tire inflation within 10 minutes, which is impressive for a unit of its size. One of its most valuable features is the massive 15,000 mAh battery, capable of inflating multiple tires or dozens of balls, bicycles, and motorcycles on a single charge. It also functions as a power bank, charging smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making it perfect for long trips and emergencies. Charging the unit is lightning fast, with 45 WPD and QC 3.0 capabilities. It can be ready for action in just 10 minutes with the included fast charging adapter. Full recharge takes only about an hour, reducing downtimes significantly. The air compressor also features a full-screen touch panel, giving it a sleek, modern appearance while offering an intuitive and user-friendly interface, even in the dark. Its lighting system includes 4 distinct modes: normal white, bright white, yellow for camping, and red SOS for emergencies, lasting up to 55 hours in camping mode. With these lighting options and multifunctionality, it's more than just an inflator, it's a survival tool. Compact, powerful, and smartly designed, the DENVIX air compressor is ideal for daily driving, road trips, and emergency preparedness, offering unmatched flexibility and performance. Number 4. PESEIL 12V Air Compressor. The PESEIL 12V Air Compressor combines power, portability, and smart design in one palm-sized package. This tire inflator is equipped with a robust 28-cylinder 12V DC motor capable of inflating large SUV tires like 315/40 R21 from 0 to 36 psi quickly, with a powerful airflow rate of 40 liters per minute and a 150 psi pressure capacity. Designed for serious outdoor use, it's perfect for long-distance travel and off-road adventures. Despite its power, the unit is compact, only 5 by 2 by 4 inches, and includes a storage bag and hidden valve core compartment, making it incredibly easy to transport and keep organized. Safety is a priority, with auto shutoff when reaching the set pressure and auto power off after 3 minutes of inactivity to preserve battery life and prevent overheating. It features a built-in LED light with 3 modes: constant, flashing, and SOS, making it practical for nighttime emergencies or camping use. The Type-C charging port ensures compatibility with both car and home chargers. Additionally, the display screen allows users to monitor real-time pressure readings, choose from preset modes: cars, bikes, balls, motorcycles, or manually set desired PSI levels. It even has the smart ability to detect current pressure once connected. The user-friendly interface and reliability make it perfect for users who want a compact but capable compressor that works well under pressure. Whether you're on the highway or deep into a camping trip, the PESEIL air compressor brings peace of mind and consistent performance every time. Number 5. UUP 12V Air Compressor. The UUP 12V Air Compressor is designed for efficiency and strength, especially when it comes to inflating large tires on trucks and SUVs. Featuring double metal cylinders and a high air flow rate of 70 liters per minute, it delivers rapid inflation, taking just 3 minutes to inflate a 200/70/R18 tire from 0 to 40 psi. This performance is 4 times faster than typical single-cylinder compressors. The powerful motor can reach up to 150 psi, ensuring it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. One of its key advantages is its thermal design, which reduces heat buildup and noise, allowing it to operate smoothly even under pressure. It also features an easy-to-use interface, making it accessible for beginners and pros alike. The compressor includes 4 different nozzles, broadening its utility for inflating camping gear, inflatable canoes, and more. Despite its heavy-duty performance, the UUP compressor is compact and portable, ideal for keeping in your vehicle trunk. The emergency LED lights provide illumination during night operations, adding a layer of safety and convenience. The package includes a wide range of useful accessories: a storage bag, power cord with battery clamps, replacement fuse, multiple nozzle adapters, valve extender, tire cleaning hook, and quick connector, covering nearly every inflation scenario. Durability is a major selling point, with rugged build quality and dependable materials. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.